Sims 3 glitches. I sent my chick to paint, and this is exactly what happened. What color? Go back to painting. Come on. What is this? One second. Okay. What is she doing? Like legit, look at that. Sims 3 glitches. You always have to love them. Oh, she just got the skill. Thank you for watching my Epic Sims 3 glitch.